Yes. Hi guys. I'm right now with fellow sponsors from Wordcamp from the company Local by Flywheel. My name is Alex.
Hi, Kimberly.
Kimberly.
Jamie.
Jamie. Nice to meet you guys. Uh, so tell me more about your product. What is this?
Local by Flywheel is a free local development application.
A local development application. So this is an app, not the hosting, not the domain
Correct.
provider, right? And what this application does for WordPress users?
It allows you to build a WordPress site locally on your desktop, so you're able to build the site without being connected to the internet, and it functions similar to a staging site, so you can play around and add plugins and break things and just have a blast, but without having to have it be live on a server or pay for the hosting for it.
Okay, you see, guys, before you make your website published online by purchasing domain names, expanding hostings, you can first download the software from local and play around with the setups and make sure it works correctly, and then you can deploy it to the cloud. What about the databases? Do you have guys supported for the databases? Because nowadays even WordPress is runs on database. It's not like a static file anymore.
That one would be over my head.
I assume it.
Question.
We'll cut. No worries. No worries.
Database support.
Databases. No problem. No problem. So so you guys are doing the events pretty routinely, right? So you know what the WordCamp is, what this platform is about. Which event is it for you already? Like what's the number of the events have you been to?
For this year?
Or in general, like when it just started, when was it, and how many events do you have so far?
I've worked at Flywheel for just over 2 years, and I think I've gone to anywhere between 7 and 9. I'm not sure, but somewhere in that region as far as WordCamps or other events on behalf of Flywheel.
What advice would you give to young entrepreneurs who would like to get into event marketing? Do you think, since you have already experience with the sponsorship, I presume, maybe with some speaking opportunity, handing out flyers, what works for entrepreneurs?
I would say one thing, which she will probably have another really great answer. One thing that I would say for event marketing is to show your creativity and to really take pride in your brand. I think we do that really well, obviously, coming with a beautiful backdrop with lots of different types of swag and tangible things that people can take home with them to then kind of rep your brand afterwards, not just interact with the brand here, but then take it as they leave the event. I think that's important.
And speaking of the marketing sources, do you think event marketing stands as a major customer acquisition tool, or there are other ways to get into the marketing mix?
I think event marketing is probably not where I would start. I think it's great in terms of like being in the community and things for brand awareness, but I think you can do a lot of great event marketing for free in the sense of speaking at events is like one of the best possible things you can do to get your brand out there in an authentic way and not necessarily have to pay the booth sponsorship. Outside of that, I would say that creating content and really just like the effort of giving back to the community. So even if you're doing event marketing, like making sure you're not just like there to kind of push your product on people, you're there because you want to be a part of that community and do cool things like this.
Yes, you see, guys, so when you're just getting started, the event marketing might not be the only solution for you, because this is the expensive way to promote your business and the results will not kick in right away. So first you need to, if you would choose to go to WordCamp and visit the WordPress, I would suggest first to buy a ticket, because the ticket gives you access to 2 days of the sessions and you can meet the same fellow entrepreneurs, sponsors, and get the same amount of exposure. Just bring your t-shirt, right, and business cards and head it out to people. But once you get to the next level and you get a sustainable stream of customers, you can, of course, afford this event marketing and actually give back to community and make sure your users appreciate this. Usually I ask my viewers to, since I'm interviewing you guys, would you offer some kind of incentive for them to try out your product? Would you have any discounts, coupons, so you'd like to offer exclusively to our channel?
Well, Local by Flywheel is a free application already, so hey, you can download that at localbyflywheel.com. And as well as our hosting product, this integrates super well. It is actually a one-click push and pull from our hosting product, and you can use the code FLYFREE for 30 days free of Flywheel hosting as well.
You see, guys, it doesn't get any better than this. It's already free, so there's nothing to hesitate. Just to give it a shot and download this product. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, for your time, for this opportunity to talk to you, and good luck with your product.
Yeah, thanks.